Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. This is Tasha Frost. Welcome to my channel. If you've never been here, this is the best time to subscribe. Hit that red button and don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified each time I upload a video. Welcome, welcome. If you're already part of this family, thank you. Thank you for sticking with me all these years, for your support. I really do appreciate it. So today's video is going to be a really quick one. I just want to show you guys something. Ta-da! This is a birthday present from hubby, so I just wanted to show you guys. Out of excitement, I ripped the plastic already, so as soon as I got to this part, I remembered I might want to show it to you guys, so I kept it this way. Honestly, have not even gone in there to see what's in there, so it's basically what it is. So I'm gonna show you guys from here on. This is a Series 6, the gold aluminum case, pink sand sport band, and this is 44 mm. So yeah, let's go in here and see what's in there. I'm not even sure how to open this exactly. Okay, so there, let me get closer. Like I said, this is the Series 6, okay? And hopefully I don't let this, hold on. Okay, and then it comes with, ooh, so this is more like a manual here. So we're gonna put that here. And then we have the band in this box. It says iWatch. And here we go. This is what it looks like. And there you go. I am not really sure how this works, but basically that's what it looks like in there. And I believe this shows you how to put it together. Yes, so this shows how to put it together. So I'm just gonna go by that, but let me show you guys the watch itself. Okay. Back to that. This is the charger. Nothing here. So there's that one right here. And this is what that looks like. Yeah guys, so that's basically it. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. As you can tell, the battery is pretty low, so I can't really show you guys the setup process. So when I do get to that, I will record that so you guys get to see how it's set up and all that. Yeah, for now I'm just gonna go get it charged, and then I'll probably prepare for another video for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe as always, like, comment, and share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Mwah.